The future will be shaped by companies who have the vision to transform and execute on a massive scale. And it depends largely on how we manage three crucial areas: infrastructure, power and water. Shriram EPC (SEPC) is an amalgamation of diverse skills and strengths honed over decades. Various companies with deep pockets of experience in engineering, procurement and construction were aggregated to form this single entity in the year 2000. Shriram EPC is one of India's leading companies in this highly specialized field, with the credentials to execute large and complex projects on a turnkey basis. Our specific strengths include customized solutions for projects from concept to completion, with strong in-house design, engineering and project management teams. Shriram EPC's corporate lineage stems from the $9 billion Shriram Group, which comprises companies across sectors as diverse as financial services, information technology, life and general insurance and infrastructure. Since inception, we have harnessed our knowledge capital to grow steadily into a $250 million enterprise. From process and metallurgy plants to power plants and water infrastructure projects, we engineer, procure and construct projects that transform, with a depth of engineering and project management talent to ensure delivery. While our business is focused on our strengths, this table gives a clear picture of the scope of the projects we put our stamp on. Shriram EPC in process and metallurgy. Shriram EPC provides turnkey contracting solutions for ferrous and non-ferrous industries, cement plants, coke oven and byproduct plants, process plants, material handling, mining and mineral processing industries. We have developed strong relationships with technology companies from various countries in the world. We've executed projects across the country and overseas. Some of the major projects we have executed include the gas cleaning plant for the smelter project for Konkola copper mines in Zambia, a project that tested the project planning and execution capabilities involving meticulous logistics planning and execution. For Ennore Coke at Haldia in West Bengal, we erected a 120,000 TPA coke oven plant and an 8 megawatt heat recovery plant. For Siemens, we have erected and commissioned mechanical equipment for the metal coating and the color coating lines of Tata BlueScope Steel Limited. For the Durgapur steel plant and the Bokaro steel plant, we engineered and erected the coal dust injection systems for the blast furnace. For IISCO Burnpur and RINL Vizag, we have executed the wire rod and bar rod mill. Some of the major ongoing projects include the debottlenecking of the coal handling plant and the new 1 million TPA medium structural mill for the Durgapur steel plant, the installation of the live-in screening plant of NMDC at Bacheli, the coke oven byproduct plant for NMDC at Nagarnar, and revamping and upgradation of sinter machine 1 and 2 at RINL Vizag. In process plants, we have built the entire 3.2 million TPA capacity plant for Shri Jaya Jyoti Cements Limited. For Kerala Feeds, we have designed and erected a 300 TPD cattle feed plant that has a capacity of 15 tons per hour in Tiruvangur, and we are executing another 500 TPD plant in Idukki for the same client. For Sterlite Industries, a 70 TPD milk of lime plant. In material handling, we've built the fuel and ash handling system for a 25 megawatt cogen power plant for Mysore sugar mills. For Sri Jaya Jyoti Cements, we've built a 1.8 kilometer long cross-country fuel handling system, and for Anand Transport, an ore handling system. In the mining sector, we have provided engineering services for copper and gold mine forming consortia with specialist companies. For Hatti gold mines in Karnataka, we are constructing a vertical shaft of 6-meter diameter and 960-meter depth with complete lining and furnishing. We leverage technology partnerships and create customized solutions in mineral processing. SEPC in water infrastructure. SEPC has been involved in the design and construction of water and wastewater systems including city and rural water supply networks, sewage networks, water treatment plants and sewage treatment plants. SEPC has successfully executed over 2,000 kilometers of pipe laying work with another 1,000 kilometers under construction. Over 480 MLD of water treatment plants and 100 MLD of sewage treatment plants. Over 20 kilometers of trenchless pipe rehabilitation work has been executed. The important projects we have been involved with include a 275 MLD water treatment plant and a 60 MLD sewage treatment plant for the Ahmedabad Urban Development Authority and the Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation. Water distribution systems for the Gujarat Water Supply and Sewerage Board at various locations in Gujarat. Overhead tanks and sumps for Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, an effluent treatment plant for the BHEL Vindhyachal Power Project, water treatment plants for the Bhavnagar Municipal Corporation and the Vijayawada Municipal Corporation, underground drainage systems for the Karnataka Urban Infrastructure Development and Finance Corporation. Water infrastructure projects like clear water supply, water distribution, underground drainage systems, pipe laying and water treatment plants for the Tamil Nadu Water Supply and Drainage Board, the Kerala Water Authority, the Chennai Metro Water and Sewerage Board and the Rajasthan Urban Sector Development Investment Program have been completed. Currently, 42 water infrastructure projects are underway in the states of Rajasthan, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka and Chhattisgarh. This is a clear indication of the depth of expertise and execution abilities we have built right across the organization to serve a set of diverse client needs. Pipe rehabilitation. Another significant area of our operations is in the field of pipe rehabilitation using trenchless technology, something that very few companies in India do. Sewer pipes laid a couple of decades ago are not able to meet the demands of the growth in population and density. Laying new pipes involves disruption on a large scale and adversely impacts life on a day-to-day basis. With technology like machine-wound spiral lining, CIPP lining, GRP lining and pipe bursting, we have been able to greatly enhance the existing infrastructure and ensure that the developmental activities of the city can continue for some more decades. In pipe rehabilitation, we have executed trenchless technology projects for the Delhi Jal Board and the Greater Mumbai Metropolitan Corporation. Shriram EPC in power. SEPC has taken the lead in constructing thermal power plants and in renewable power with biomass and wind energy projects. We've established a presence in solar power as well. Some of the major thermal projects we have built include power plants for Grasim Industries and OPG. We have also built two 80-megawatt thermal power projects for Suryadev Alloys Limited and have been awarded a contract to build a third 330-megawatt thermal power plant. We've also built captive energy projects for Mahavir Energy and Coal, 7-Star Steel and Aurora Infrastructures. In biomass, we engineer plants to use waste that is commonly available in the surrounding area, thus impacting both the business and the environment positively. We've built 17 biomass plants so far, ranging from a mere 2 megawatt to 20 megawatt, and the scope of work involved the supply, construction and commissioning of the plants. Some of the biomass projects we've built and commissioned include a plant for Shalivahana Constructions in Andhra Pradesh, the Ravi Kiran Power Project in Karnataka, ETA Power Gen and Global Power Tech in Tamil Nadu, Sanjog Sugars in Rajasthan and Orient Biopower in Maharashtra. We've also been one of the early movers in building and commissioning wind power projects right from the late 90s, acquiring significant expertise and experience. We are currently making our foray into the area of building solar power plants. Engineering the future is hard work. It involves the ability to execute and work in areas with minimal infrastructure and in difficult environments. What's gratifying is that our clients in process, metallurgy, power and water infrastructure continue to repose faith in our ability to deliver. We have been awarded complex and challenging projects that are significantly larger in scope and size. SEPC, Shriram EPC, nation building for decades.